How to start a Shopify dropshipping in 2024 for beginners. Authentic dropshipping guide. Introduction. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, you order the product from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to them. This means you can start a business with minimal upfront investment. Step 1. Find your niche. First, choose a niche. This is crucial because a well-defined niche will help you target your audience more effectively. Look for niches that you are passionate about and have a demand in the market. Use tools like Google Trends, Facebook Audience Insights, and keyword research tools to validate your niche idea. Step 2. Conduct market research. Next, conduct thorough market research. Identify your competitors and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to study their traffic sources and popular products. This research will help you understand what works and how you can differentiate your store. Step 3. Choose your products. After that, select the products you want to sell. Look for high-demand, low-competition products. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket to find reliable suppliers. Ensure your suppliers have good ratings and reviews to guarantee product quality and delivery times. Step 4. Set up your Shopify store. Sign up for a Shopify account and choose a theme that matches your brand. Customize your store's layout, add your logo, and create essential pages like About Us, Contact Us, and shipping information. Step 5. Import products to your store. Import your selected products to your Shopify store using apps like Oberlo or Xeris. Write compelling product descriptions and upload high-quality images. Make sure to set competitive prices while keeping a healthy profit margin. Step 6. Set up payment and shipping options. Configure your payment gateways to accept payments from customers. Shopify supports various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and others. Also, set up your shipping options. Offer free shipping to attract more customers and include estimated delivery times. Step 7. Launch your store. Before launching, test your store to ensure everything works perfectly. Place a test order to check the payment and shipping processes. Once you're satisfied, launch your store and start promoting it. Step 8. Drive traffic to your store. To drive traffic to your store, use digital marketing strategies such as SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Leverage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads to reach your target audience. Step 9. Analyze and optimize. Finally, continually analyze your store's performance using Shopify Analytics and Google Analytics. Track metrics like traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Use this data to optimize your marketing strategies and improve your store's performance. Conclusion. Starting a Shopify dropshipping business in 2024 is a great opportunity to create a profitable online store with minimal risk. Follow these steps, stay persistent, and adapt to market trends. Good luck on your dropshipping journey.